Hello guys, and welcome back to another Clean Me video. Today we're working on this Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Black Series, which is an incredible and very rare car with only a few hundred of them produced around the world. If any of you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more detailing videos from Clean Me. Drop a like below. Let's get straight into it. By the way, guys, if you like your car to be cleaned just as well as this car, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the CleanMe app today, and you can book a mobile car clean that will come to your location. You don't have to travel to a unit or travel to like a traditional car wash. We come to you, and we've got a nationwide marketplace of vetted professionals who are the best at their job. So you know that your car will always be taken care of. So again, if you'd like your car to be cleaned just like this, visit cleanme.co.uk or download the CleanMe app. Link is in the bio to do either of those options.
There's once we get a really bad looking one, you're gonna brush it in like all of these bits, all that kind of.
And there we have it. The Mercedes C63 AMG Black Series is now nice and clean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments what car you'd like to see us clean next. And we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to download the CleanMe app. Take care.